morning guys, welcome to another episode of Venture Brothers. We're at the back beach right now with everyone down there. They're going for a little surf up. You got Ellie, Giles, Crystal, Emily and Callum, and Robbie's at the back. He's got a bad hangover. He's just being a little bitch, really. Yeah, that's the back beach right here. Going for a surf, and we've gone work around this morning. Seen the places, seen a couple of houses. We're about to meet up with Caleb and everyone else. There they are, down there. Is that them? Yeah, that's definitely them. That's Caleb and Molly down there.
Your husband and wife.
Look at them down there. Is that them? That's them, mate.
Yeah.
Oh, who's the two girls?
Brooke and Harriet.
Oh, Nick. Oh, ready, B?
They put your fingers down a bit lower. Yeah, flat.
You good?
You're feeding a horse.
I'm ready.
What? It takes off like you do, doesn't it?
I believe I can fly.
Hey, let's pass you now.
'Cause I can fly. I can fly. I can fly. I can fly.
Kill me, brother.
What? You come off.
My turn to drive. You get on the front.
You hear yourself? What's up, girl? Hey, what's going on? Hey, Saturday night, we're vibing. We're vibing. Hey, what's going on? How are ya? I'll put your man on.
Hang on, my hands are full.
Hey.
Hey, what's happening? Where are you?
Anyway, I know. Tell me what we're doing for the barbecue.
You know.
Tell me what we're doing about the barbecue.
So we got some meat going. We got a nice barbecue pack prepared by the guys at Have a Chat. Beautiful man. I've known him for a couple of years now because we always come up Lano. Guys on the meat. He's got the smoke. Cum's got the bloody fire going, kinda. And the girls are getting ready in the kitchen, with potato salad and all that. So, woo, we're good to go, boy.
Alright guys, as you can see, we're just in the middle of beautiful Lancelin. You can see how pretty it is today. We've got the beautiful white sands, pristine water. We've seen some dolphins run by.
One dolphin.
One dolphin, have we? Yeah. Solo ranger.
Solo, yeah.
We've also seen lots of snorkelers go out. So it's just a really good family-friendly spot.
Yeah.
And we're having a great time up here. Actually, later on, we're gonna go check out some sandboarding. Yesterday we had an absolute ripper time on the four-wheelers.
Yeah. Quadbikes.
Quadbikes. I think I actually might roll that footage now. Check it out.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me.
They've been shredding it, and check this out. We got the new shirt, so let us know, boy.
Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move.
Hey guys, thanks for watching again. We've been very lucky to have spent the last couple of days up in Lancelin, and the guys at LANCELIN Beach Breaks, they've been kind enough to provide us with the accommodation because we're shooting for their website. So don't forget to check them out. They provide the best accommodation up in Lancelin, which is like all their houses are down the road from the beach, well, opposite the beach pretty much, next to the sand dunes, next to the IGA. It's like pretty much like located in the best spots in town. So don't forget to check them out. So also don't forget to like and subscribe if you've liked this video. If you'd like to see more of that, hit the button, guys. That's it for an episode.
See you next time.
Yeah, definitely. See you guys.